Thousands of residents were ordered to leave their homes as heavy rain caused flooding in parts of California. At least 14 people have died in California as severe storm brought torrential downpour, high wind and flooding to the state. Thousands of people were evacuated their homes and millions more than 30 ruined by severe weather. Rainy weather wreaked havoc in Santa Clara County. The main impact of the storm came in the early morning with strong wind, thunder and lightning. Wind in Santa Clara peaked at 13 mile/hour around 2:25 a.m. Tuesday, according to the National Weather Service. The wind cut off power in some part of the city. Silicon Valley Power crew have been working all night trying to restore power to thousands of customers. Most of the incident occurred in the south part of the city. By Tuesday afternoon, while the power had been restored. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, about 19% of Californians, about 34 million people in the most populous U.S. state, are on a flood watch. This new round of severe weather will bring torrential rain and all the flooded roads. Damaging winds expected to knock down trees and power lines and heavy snowfall California's mountains.